History facts about Greece. Ancient Greece didn't just create a country, they created ideas. The Greeks invented democracy, the idea that people should choose their leaders. They created the Olympics, the global sports tradition. They built theaters and wrote stories that are still performed today. And Greek philosophers like Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle shaped how the world thinks. If you've ever voted, watched a movie, or read a story, you are living in the world Greece imagined. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more hidden histories.